Hey guys, it's Justin with Spyder Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install tail lights for the 99 to 04 Volkswagen Jetta. And these are the LED tail lights for the Jetta. The tools that you're going to be using today is an 8mm wrench. You don't need a ratchet for it because it's a little bit hard to get into. There's actually 3 bolts, 3 nuts that you're going to take off. It's kind of hidden, so you're gonna have to look for it. But there are 3 brass nuts that you need to take off. There's one right here. That's what it looks like. There's 2 nuts on the far side and then 1 nut holding the inside, so just take it off. Once it's off, the taillight should pop out really easily. All you have to do is just wiggle it a little bit. It should come right out. Now on the back side, you'll see just one main plug. All you have to do is just unplug it. So, this is what the back looks like. Now the new one, pretty much just match up the wires, the colors, or the terminal line, I should say. Should match up and plug in perfectly. Make sure you hear it click to make sure that it's secure. Now all you have to do now is put everything back together. Make sure it fits. And then put your 8mm nuts back on. Now I'm going to show you how the light lights up. The brake light. Not sure if you see it, but turn signal, turn signal, brake, and reverse. There you go.